Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a simple clock. So I have already written the code. So this is how it works. This is the code of time. This is to draw the structure struct, as you know, if you have watched my previous videos. So I have defined time as null, so that origin there is no time by default. So then I define the current time to be the local time, and as this is how I did, and then I printed this. So let me give you example how this works. And this is an important thing, to set the console title. So don't you guys don't need to look at this include resource. So I actually was going to make a custom header file. Actually I wanted to make a GUI, so I decided to make a custom header file, but then I didn't made it. I just made a simple clock for now. So you can see this. So this is showing the timing over here. So hope you guys found it interesting, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos and press the bell icon for the latest update.